Hello everyone, welcome to Acadethics Blackboard session. So today is the first session of the Blackboard session, and I'll try to explain you how to find a number or check a number whether it's a perfect square or not. So here you can see we have these numbers here. So these are the basic 10 numbers which we use. तो अब हमें यहाँ पे क्या करना है, like we know the square of 1 is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, and 9 square is 81. So now if you check here, the square of 9 and 1, the unit place number is 1. Here if we see this one and this one, unit place. Same way if we see for 2 and 8, they have 4. For 3 and 7, it's 9. For 4 and 6, it is 6. For 5, it's just 5. So these are the way. And for 0, it's 0. It means 0, 1, then 4, then 5, 6, and 9. If these are the number at unit place, means they can be perfect square. But if these are not there, if 2, 3, 7, 8 is there at unit place, then it's not a perfect square. Now what happened, most of the time students ask me like how to find whether it's a perfect square or not. So first you check unit place. If it is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, then it's a perfect square. If it is 2, 3, 7, 8, then it's not. For example, let's say square of any number. So we have a number 324. So how to check which number perfect square is it? We know we have a long division method, so we can go by that. Like here we write number 324, then we do pairing from the right side, right? And then 3. So the number whose perfect square is smaller than 3 or equal to 3. So 1. So 1 ones are 1. Then subtract, will become 2, and then this 1 plus 1 will become 2, and then this whole pair will come. Now whatever number will take here, same will be here, and multiply, and then 224. So now here 4 is there. So 4 comes at unit place of 8. So if you are writing 8, then here also 8. So if you write 8 and here 8, 8 8s are 64, 4, 6 carry, 16 plus 6, 22. So 324 is square of 18. But how to use your brain and logic to find this? So for that, what you have to do is, now you see 324, right? What is the square of 10? Is 100. 20 is 400. Right? The 324 lies between in these two numbers. Now we know unit place 4 is there. 4 comes in the square of which number at the unit place? It is 2 and 8. So what are the two numbers between 10 and 20 which have 2 and 8? So that is 12 and 18. But because 324 is close to 400, so this will be the square of 18. So this is how we can find it. I hope you like this video. You can go through it. If you have any further doubt, please do text me or mail me on my number. Till then, goodbye. Take care.